Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here, Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. As you guys can see, there goes Abbott. She's breaking 93 bucks a share. We got into an earnings trade on Abbott, small earnings trade. Our PayPal trade's up 400 bucks today. That's getting a nice pop. Let's bring that up. Qualcomm's getting a pop here. We're up a little bit on Qualcomm. Let's take a look at PayPal. Let's see here. PayPal's up about 1% here, up $1. Take a look at that chart here, see what it's going to do. It's going to give it a few minutes here for everything to sink in. Guys, our Abbott trade's up 25% right now, 30%. I'm going to lock that in. First things first, sell to close. We could hold that for another day. I think that's going to continue to run, but me personally, I'd just rather sell it, get rid of it, and move on to the next thing here. Let me see if I can sell it for... Let's see if I can sell for 3.85. She's still on the run there. 355 by 3. Let's see here. I want to get rid of it. Sell to close. What did I just put the order in for? 3. Let's see. Order status. That's live. I just want to get rid of this for now. We got in at 290. I just put an order in for 3.3, and that's sold. It's gone. Abbott is gone. Let's see. What did I sell it for? I sold at 3.30. We got in at 2.90. Sold at 3.3. Okay, so that is gone now. There's that. Let's find out what we're going to do next here. Alrighty, 1 minute into the bell, we locked in a profit, small one, 194.79 on Abbott. Like I said, rather take in profits, lock them in, than see a trade go against us. Walmart's struggling with 130 resistance. I'm looking at that chart above. Good morning, Susan, Vincenzo, Bob Logan. Good morning, guys. Nice to have you with us this morning. Alrighty, so there's that. That's completed. Dave Pays says he bought Abbott at 245. He just sold it this morning at 350. Nice job. Great job. Text alerts were sent. Messages out. Nice. Now, I'm out of all Abbott trades, Karen Decker. Karen Decker in the trade room said, is he holding the May 15th Abbott? I'm out of all of our Abbott. And if you look at the screen here, you can see here's April 16th. It says current trades made yesterday, but I just changed the date on top. All these weren't made yesterday. But as you can see, we sold out of just about everything. We're still holding the PayPal and the Qualcomm, as you can see there. Qualcomm, PayPal, and GE. Those are the trades we are still in right now, and watching those turn around here. There goes Qualcomm. Qualcomm's having a big run here. Let's bring up Qualcomm chart. QCOM. Take a look at Qualcomm, up 1.7%, 1.8%, continuing that run. PayPal here, you can see that chart. She just came down to that 10. It's bouncing off of that. Let's see if she continues that bounce and runs higher for the day. Qualcomm's in breakout momentum, still climbing 1.63%. We can take a look at the 6-month daily or the 3-month daily here. We got a target of about 80 bucks. We have the Qualcomm May 15th 80 strike call. I'm going to be holding on to those, and I think we're going to have a nice run here on Qualcomm. I can see this getting up to 85 by the May Expo. I wanted to show you guys something I was looking at as the pre-market hours. Take a look at NVIDIA, up 3%. It's near all-time highs. NVIDIA is one of those tech companies that are near all-time highs right now. That's incredible. That's great. Glad to see tech coming back strong here. There goes PayPal down to that 1050 SMA on today 1-minute chart. Watching that, looking at Walmart up above 129.24. It can't seem to break that resistance around 130 Walmart. Take a look at Walmart here, WMT. There it is. 3 candles there failing to break above that resistance at 130. That's telling me it's either going to consolidate, and then we're looking for a candle above 130 for entry, or if it fails at that 130, we see a pullback in a candle below that 127, and there's a good chance you could pull back down to about 120-ish. So that's what we're watching for with Walmart, and we'll see what happens there. Let's see, what do we have expiring this week? Let's see here. My T-Dot trade taking a beating right now.
Shares of Invitation Homes dropping here again.
Let's see what T-Doc's doing here.
Jim Chanos says he's short Invitation Homes.
T-Doc's down 2%, down $3.
Says it owns a portfolio
Starting to climb though. I like that. It's near the highs of the day. You know, I think that's going to continue to run there. Let's see it break above, and it's at 168. Could get up to 172 today. Okay with that. Want to see that continue to run. There goes Walmart there. Let's see if that could break out. Guys, our Qualcomm trade's now in the green. We are now in the green on Qualcomm. Qualcomm trade is up $500. Up. There we go. She's up $600 now. Look at that breakout on Qualcomm. Qualcomm now is up 3% just about. Looking good. Let's bring that to the today 1 minute chart. There goes Qualcomm again. Another big breakout, 77.59, continuing to climb off that 10-day simple moving average. You can see we had breakout momentum. We retraced back down to that 10, and it's starting to break out again. Nice climb there on Qualcomm. Going to continue to watch that for the rest of the day here. We sold Abbott. What's Abbott doing right now? Let's see. ABT. Oh, nice job selling Abbott there. Big pullback. Nice job there. Sold it perfectly. Actually, we sold that, what, the second minute? If we waited 2 more minutes, it would have been prime time, but, you know, not perfect, you know.
Getting there.
Getting there. Alrighty, let's see here. Looking good today, guys. Looking good.
You got 290, right?
What's that?
You got in Abbott at 290.
290, sold at what? 330. Here
330.
it is right here. 3.30, yep. What was the gain on that?
14%.
14%. Reber says, I sound very far away. Let me see here where this microphone's coming from. There we go. That should be a little bit better, Doc. I'll wait 30 seconds. Let me know if that sounds better right now. That should sound better. Let me know. Should be nice, loud, and clear right now for you guys. So let me know if that sounds closer now, if that sounded better. I just changed the microphone there. It was on a default setting. Speak up. Sounds better. You shouldn't hear that yet.
I just heard it now.
Gina's Kitchen. Hi, Dave. I've been following you for a while now. I see you putting up large amounts into some of your trades. I only have $1,000 to start. Is that enough? Jerry, Curtis, Reber, Huevos, and Larson said that sounds much better. Great. Alrighty, guys. So take a look here. Qualcomm coming back down to that 10. Let's see it break out. Gina's Kitchen. $1,000. That's tight, but, you know, that's definitely doable. Contact our team on Breaking Chart Alerts, and they'll get you signed up and helped here. There goes Qualcomm. It's holding that 10, still continuing to climb. I think we're going to see a nice breakout on some tech stocks today. Let's see what Facebook is doing. We're out of our Abbott trades. Don't care about Abbott pulling back there. We are doing phenomenal. There goes Qualcomm again. Qualcomm trades back in the green. Facebook at 176. Remember I told you guys yesterday it looked like it was struggling out that 180 a little bit. Now, as you guys can see here, Facebook, let me tighten up this chart a little bit. Now, as you can see with Facebook here, it's trading between the 10 and 50 SMA here. So we're looking for a break above 180 for that next big breakout. If it could break that 180 mark, we're going to see a nice climb there on Facebook. So keep an eye on that. There goes Qualcomm. Yeah, you guys are awesome. Thank you for all the messages yesterday, all the reviews that you guys posted. I really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. Great job. Andrew Richardson says KR Kroger is still looking good. Let's take a look at KR there. Kroger up another 1%. That's looking like that's ready for a big breakout, Kroger. Maybe we'll get into some calls for that for, May monthly expo. That's not a bad idea. Bank of America, April 24, 21 strike put sweeps coming in. Bank of America, 20 strike put sweeps coming in for April 24th. Disney, some call sweeps coming in, 105. I don't know if you guys saw the breaking newsletter I sent out there, but Disney actually projected, let me see what it was. They projected like 40 million new subscribers to their Disney Plus platform. So that's why we're seeing Disney have a nice little pop there. Kroger, though, KR's looking good. Andrew Richardson, let's put that on today. Let's see, PayPal. I'm not sure what you're talking about with PayPal's drop. PayPal's still in the green today. But it's holding that 50. That's what we're looking for, holding that 50. Let's see what Square's doing. Square had a big retracement there. Let's see, PayPal. I got the May 15th expo on PayPal.
Yeah, Square got
Down. The PayPal trade is, that's down about 20% right now. Let's see, Qualcomm. Yeah, hold on, the markets are shifting here. I want to keep an eye on things. Qualcomm's pulling back here now. First candle below that 10. Keep an eye on things, guys. Did you do that newsletter for the breaking charts on the page? I want to get that stuff on the website. Qualcomm's pulling below that 10 right there. Square was downgraded, E said. Let's see here. Abbott had a big pullback from that high. That was a nice selling opportunity we had there. Let's see. Qualcomm still up $300. Let's see here. I want to sell these shares of OPK I have. That's just something I did personally. I don't think I let you guys know about that. Alright, I just sold that. That's gone. That still looks good, though. There's that 1020 cross on OPK. Probably going to be kicking myself in the butt for selling that next week. Let's see, Qualcomm. Avilio Rodriguez says they have a Wells Fargo put that's in the green. That's great to hear. Qualcomm's not doing too much. Let's see if it holds this 20 and starts that climb again. Let's see the diamond and the Qs quick. It's only 15 minutes into opening bell here. I want to see what the markets are doing. If we look at the 3-month daily on diamond, we're trading between the 10, 50. You can see we got some consolidation. We have a consolidation box from, let's say right around, let's say 232 to 240. So we break below 230, we're going to be heading lower. A break above 240, we're going to have that next run there. That's what we're watching for with Diamond. Notice how the candles, the body of these candles on the Diamond ETF, notice how small they are the past, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So that's telling us there's some consolidation going on. We're not seeing that big breakout or that big breakdown like we saw in BDM cycle here in the red channel. So we consolidated, still pretty big candles. We broke out, we had a nice breakout, and then we consolidated. And as you can see right here, do you see these candles, the size of these candles? Just about the size of those bodies right now. So here was consolidation, then we had that next breakout. We're consolidating, now we're going to be looking for that next breakout. We're looking for a breakout above 240. If we break above 240, obviously the general market's going to have a big pop there. There goes Abbott. Abbott's taking off again. Big breakout on Abbott. Look at those candles on a today 1-minute chart. Breaking that 10, 20, 50 SMA on a 1 minute. There she goes. Let's look for 93.75 as the next target resistance for the day on Abbott. If we could break through that, she's looking at 95 for this week, easily. Our GE trades up $200 today. That's nice. We got about a 3% gain on GE. Qualcomm. Tdoc's coming back up here. TDOC. Let's take a look there. Look at that climb from the lows today. She came from 165 all the way up to 171. $6 climb on Tdoc. She's continuing to run there. That's down about 5% this morning on open. She's still running for highs. I think this is easily going to get up to 175, maybe 177. I'm going to be taking profits once I have that. And remember, we have the Tdoc 170 strike call. We added to that yesterday. I'm in for an average price of around 647. That's from the original ones we got like weeks ago. So I added to that, average down a little bit. Accounts are about $300 away from highs here. We're still getting a nice run. There goes PayPal. There goes Qualcomm again. Nice climb. Let's take a look at PayPal over here. PYPL. Looking good. Let's take a look at it today, 1 minute. There goes PayPal again, guys. There she goes. Look at that big candle. Here comes a 1020 cross. We already had the MACD cross there. Let's see if she could break 108.5. What's the other one? Qualcomm. QCOM. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily here. It's holding, but not doing too much just yet. We're waiting for that move. Tdoc on a 1 minute chart. There goes Tdoc. Nice climb there. 171.5. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see what PayPal is doing.
Solid quarter considering the environment. That's MS.
You still have your Exxon?
Exxon's been gone a long time ago. Why? That's not updated on the site?
No, it is. Somebody was just asking.
Oh, yeah. Exxon's gone. There's nothing in Exxon. We have no oil trades right now. I want to see PayPal start to climb here. Tdoc is still looking great. Still early in the day here. What's the Dow doing? Dow's down about 150. There goes PayPal.
De Blasio out with an update on the coronavirus in New York City.
Dr. Reber says, thanks, Dave, again. Just out of BABA for 65% gain. Let's see. BABA is up 1.35%. I told you 211 or 210 to 215, right, Doc? That's a nice break. Yeah, I'd be out of that trade. I don't like the look of that. That's a doji right there. Don't like the look of that. We might retrace on BABA there. So, Doc, me personally, if I was looking at that, I'd be getting some puts for next week's expo. But that's going into some details of the trade plan. And if you don't know that, stay away. But that's what I'd be looking at there with that. Tdoc, I think I'm going to sell Tdoc. I'm worried about it. I got a decent side trade. I'm going to close that for a small loss here. Let's see.
ABT breaking out again.
ABT's breaking out again? Yeah, I just went over that. Is it breaking above 93.50, the target we talked about?
Yep, it is at 93.82.
Wow, we're going to have to take a look at that again.
RCUS, Arcus Biosciences, spiking to 29.68 now. Romeo Charlie Uniform Sandy, RCUS.
I want to get rid of that damn. There we go. Teladoc is closed. I closed Teladoc at 3.70. 3.70, guys. Here it is right here. Teladoc, April 17th, 170 strike call. I sold it at 3.70. I didn't want to take a chance of that being 100% loss because I still had a couple grand in that. Alrighty, now, here we go. Let's see. Qualcomm. Let's see what Qualcomm's doing. I'm managing my current trades. That's what's important right now. Manage those current trades. Account is just about $300 away from all-time highs again. So I'm managing the current trades and getting rid of those. Qualcomm. We're down 8% on our Qualcomm trade. That's for May 15th Expo, though. So I'm probably going to hold on to that. But looking at the today 1 minute, she's really breaking down there. So I'm going to get rid of Qualcomm, sell to close. Just not happy with how she's looking there. Let's see if I could sell for 2.85. Did that sell? No. Order status. It's still live. Let's change that out here. Let's put it down to 2.8. There we go. I'm out of Qualcomm, guys. Qualcomm is gone. Qualcomm, we sold 2.80. I'm just managing our current trades. Account still at just about all-time highs with the account. We're managing these trades. Let's see, Ross stores. Let's see what we're going to do with our Ross store. We have the May Expo there, but obviously not too much is going on with Ross store.
OUT, Outfront Media, announcing a $400 million convertible preferred equity investment led by Providence Equity Partners. That's OUT. That's it. Shares will hold ahead of that news on Uniform Tango.
I'll hold on to that one. PayPal, what's PayPal doing here? Let's see. PayPal's just in no trade zone, NTZ.
Breaker, MOSY.
Yeah, on the screen here, the current trades, they're from like 2 days ago. Obviously, you can see most of them are closed there. Actually, let me close up some of these other ones. What did we just sell Qualcomm at?
280.
Okay, there we go. I just updated Qualcomm on that. I want to look for a nice trade setup now. I think we're going to have to wait until the next half hour here to find a good setup. Good morning, Ian Karazi. Nice to have you with us. ABT's taking off today, so let's take a look at ABT. I'm almost at 94 bucks. It just broke 94. That looks like a nice trade. She looks like she wants to continue that run. It's a nice breakout on Abbott there.
Where's she at?
93.76. You still didn't put that up there? Every morning.
North Dakota governor issues guidelines to reopen state on May 1st. YTEN, Yield 10 Biosciences granted international patent, genetically engineered plants that express a quinone utilizing malate dehydrogenase. That's YTEN, getting that patent. Yankee Tango Echo November. Shares of yield 10 halted at $4.72 now on a circuit breaker on that patent news.
I want to make another trade on Abbott here, but waiting. Take a look at Walmart. Walmart, if we take a look at 3-month daily chart, it's still struggling with that 130. So waiting for that. I want to see what's going on with Walmart. If it fails and if it breaks below 127.50, I'm probably going to get some short-term puts on Walmart. Right now, I'm looking at Abbott because Abbott's driving me crazy. I probably could have locked in much more profits on that this morning. Let's see, what was it at this morning? Actually, we closed it out just about right where we're at now. About 70 cents higher from where we closed it out this morning, but still looking good. Let's see what else here. What's Tesla doing today? Tesla's down 10 bucks, 1.3%. It's at 722 though. That's amazing. That's going to be back up to that 800 bucks. Nvidia. Oh my god. Nvidia's at 292 now. That was at 280 before when we were talking about it. Literally at 280 this morning. Look at that breakout on Nvidia. I think Nvidia is going to get to that 300 bucks, and I think that's going to happen by tomorrow, or at least by next week. I'm waiting for PayPal to do. I hate hanging on to trades that aren't performing, as you guys could probably notice. So if we don't see anything, I mean, PayPal still looks great. There's no sell signal with PayPal, but I got 3,000, actually 3,500 tied up in PayPal, so I'd rather go on to the next trade there. There goes Walmart. Take a look. Walmart's breaking out again. Nice big breakout on Walmart. There's that 1020 cross, first candle above. Looking good. Confirmation candle. Looking good.
mRNA, Moderna weekly 35 call.
Oh, Moderna's coming in again.
November Alpha.
What's Moderna symbol?
mRNA?
mRNA. I was thinking D.
Yeah. Sounds like.
Ooh, there goes Moderna, guys. There's that 1020 cross. They just had an announcement come up. That's probably going to continue to break out there. That's a nice little day trade if you're looking for a day trade. There goes Walmart again. Let's see if Walmart can break that 130. PayPal still not doing too much here. Slow day for charts. Not moving much. PayPal down 50 cents, 0.5%. 3-month daily still holding that 50. If it drops below that 50, I'll be worried there a little bit. It might exit, but looks good right now. Let's see what Facebook is doing. 3-month daily still holding that above that 10 SMA, still looking good. If we take a look at the today 1-minute chart, it's getting down to support for the day there, so not going to be doing anything with that yet. Let's go down our watch list, see if there's any opportunities we could pick up on here. We're going to be going down. We're going to be looking first at the 3-month daily, and then we'll take a look at the today 1-minute chart. So first things first, AAL, American Airlines, down another 5% today. I think airlines are going to continue to struggle. There's a big news article out United Airlines is actually laying off people starting in September. They did the PPP, the PayPal Protection Program. They got $5 billion from the government through the PPP program, and they're saying that that'll help employees until September. After September, they're going to be thinking about laying off more pilots, crew, and shutting down some more of their flights. So I think airlines are still going to be hurting in the coming months here. Apple's still holding above that 50 SMA. It's pulling back a little bit after that big run. Now, guys, notice here. It had a big run. The past two candles, it's failing to break above the April 14th candle. So that's telling us it's in consolidation. We're looking for it to break above that let's say 290 for that next breakout. It's not breaking above 290. I think we could see a retracement possibly back down to 270 on Apple. And all this is depending on what's happening with the coronavirus. I mean, that's the big thing right now. That's the big market mover. Look at that. TSC. You guys know TSC, the Santarelli Exchange. Deutsche Bank maintains hold on TSC, raises their price target to $22. We got an upgrade today, guys. Nice. That's funny. Look at Amazon again, $2,400.
Holy smokes.
Up 3%. Oh my God. I wish I jumped in on that.
Skyrocket.
I wish I jumped in. When we were talking to Reeves about Baba, there's at 211. That's continuing to pull back there as well. Glad he locked in profits on that. Look at Bank of America. That looks like that's heading much lower. Banks are not going to be doing well with the news that came out.
Fresh and Healthy Meals is on Bank of America puts.
Oh, he's in some puts? Nice. Cisco came right back down to that 10. Now, if Cisco has a green candle tomorrow, then I might be looking at a Cisco trade for next week's expo. Guys, our SPY puts that we got as a hedger now in the green, up 8%. As the market continues to drop here, let's put SPY over here. Look at that SPY breaking down there. I think we're going to have some nice profits on those SPY puts. I'm going to lock in PayPal. It's not doing much, and let me just see PayPal chart again once more. We could re-enter that. It's having a big breakdown here with the rest of the general market. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell to close PayPal.
FB, Facebook, revamping Libra. Plans multiple single currency coins.
And there we go. PayPal is now gone. I'm about $700 away from all-time highs in the account. Took a hit. PayPal we sold at. I put in an order at 250. Let's see order status. 250 it sold at. Here is the order status. Our SPY puts are continuing to climb. We're now up 10% on our SPY puts. Now you see we locked in profits on Abbott this morning. We got out of Qualcomm. We got out of PayPal. Just didn't like the looks of that. You know, I mean, it's still good for May Expo in my opinion, but the short term it might continue to pull back there. So I'd rather be out of that trade and look for something else, and we could re-enter it later. You know, I mean, you're going to take a small hit on some of the trades like we did with PayPal and Qualcomm there. Very small hit, but, you know, we're still at just about all-time highs with the account because of those trades that we've had and locked in the profits on. So it's really important to remember that. Your hedges, your trades, your short-term trades, your long-term trades, and what your plan is with those.
Cutting losses.
Cutting losses, yep. Absolutely. Let's take a look here. SPY is continuing to break down there. I should jump into some more puts here as BDM breakdown momentum continues on the ETFs here.
Libra, FB, Facebook, Libra's governing body said on Thursday will now offer stable.
Could you guys hear Charlie there? Could you hear Charlie on your earphones?
currency peg coins.
Or does it sound like the speakers? Is it sounding like the...
Sounded good earlier. Let me see.
Should hear it in about 30 seconds.
Shares of overstock.
You hear this or from the desktop? Is he clear?
Being circulated by
Clear.
traders.
Very clear? Okay, good. So that's coming from the desktop audio. Perfect. Guys, our SPY puts are now up 14%. That might be a quick 100%er by the end of the day here. SPY is only down 0.5%. So if that drops another 2 or 3%, the SPY puts are going to be up 100, maybe 200%, just like the SPY hedge we had yesterday that we locked in. So keep that in mind. We're still holding those SPY puts for tomorrow's expo. Now, see what I mean about this?
OUT, Outfront Media shares resumed trading, $10.80, now down 73 cents. Shares were halted before the company announcing a $400 million convertible preferred.
Let's continue to go down this watch list here, see if we see any good setups. Let's change this back to a 3-month daily. CVX came right back down there. That might be a good opportunity to buy for next week's expo. But there's more bad news about oil that came out. They're cutting production, cutting demand for the rest of the year quite significantly. Microsoft optional or June 19th 170 call sweeps coming in. Facebook overstock shares spike. Overstock.com share spike on volume uptick may be related to report Facebook considering multiple single currency coins. Halliburton puts April 24th 6.5 strike puts coming in. Disney, look at the put sweeps coming in for the May 15th 85 strike put. They're thinking Disney's going to head much lower there. That's the bid, so they might be selling those. They might be selling those Disney puts there.
Wow, Abbott.
Oh, don't even tell me Abbott again. Wow, 95 bucks on Abbott. Wow, unbelievable.
Roku, 7.5%.
Now, see, this is what I mean. If you just waited a half hour, like the people that sleep in, they get it the best because they don't see the volatility in the morning. They wake up, they're like, oh, Abbott's at new highs today. Let me sell and take in profit.
You're like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh!
There goes Abbott. It feels like I've been here for like 3 hours already, but it's only been about a half hour since opening bell.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready for lunch.
You're ready for lunch? Man, me and Virginia were talking about you last night. She goes, Dave, he eats a lot. How is he in so good of a shape? I say, I don't know. He sits here doing the same thing I do, but he eats even more than I do.
I eat a lot.
You do eat a lot. I don't know what your extracurricular activities are when you leave here, but whatever you do.
I know I got about a few hundred push-ups. Got my push-up.
Do you really?
Yeah.
You do push-ups?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, about like 30 reps.
Wow.
A few times a day.
Wow.
I'll bring it in here.
I got to start doing that.
They're the wide ones, the short ones.
There goes SPY breaking below that 10 again. It got up to that 10 resistance. Now she's dropping lower here on the SPY today 1 minute chart. Watching Abbott at about 94. I just went through some things here. I'm not seeing any good opportunities just yet, so we're just going to hold off. Gilead Sciences option alert. August 21st, 110 strike calls coming in. Target October 16th, 105 puts.
Yankee Tango Echo November.
AT&T January 15th, 32 strike calls coming in. I hate AT&T. I hate Verizon. Hate all those companies. To me, they're such scam artists, you know? Verizon. How could they charge you $300 for a phone bill when you could go to Straight Talk or something for $40? I was getting the same service. I still got to do that. I get my phone bill every month, and it's like, $300. It's like, damn, I got to switch. But then I forget to switch. because I got so much going on. Guys, there goes SPY continuing to drop now. We're now up 16% on our SPY puts, up about $200 on the SPY puts for the day. And she's still dropping. There she goes. We're now up 18% on the SPY puts, up $200.
BLIN, Bridgeline Digital shares popping here. Bravo Lima, India, November. On volume, BLIN. CHWY, Chewy, making highs now 46.72. Charlie Hotel Whiskey Yankee, CHWY. Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage.
Guys, the SPY puts are now up 21%, up $250 now. We're up 22% on the SPY puts. As you can see over here, SPY continues to drop there, continuing to drop lower. Looking good. Doesn't it feel really warm?
It is hot. It's hot. I think the AC is down. My office was freaking hot this morning.
Is it? Let me call them up.
I'm usually freezing.
No, it's okay.
Reception?
Hi, Celia.
Yeah.
Yeah, is the AC working today?
It should be.
Yeah, these two offices, like, we're literally sweating in them. I don't think it's on.
Okay, I'll have them check.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right, bye. And it's pretty hot in here, though.
Super hot.
Update on that Facebook story. Swiss Financial Market Supervisor says has received an application from the Geneva-based Libra Association for a payment system license.
A payment system license. That's what Facebook is doing there.
Wow. They're getting into everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's see.
CODX, Co-Diagnostics, 1150 now at the high, 20% CODX.
I just want to take some profits here. I put in an order to sell SPY, and there we go. That was just filled there. I just sold SPY at $4. 4.00.
Got it.
I'll add back into that if I see it break down again there. But literally, we just sold it right at that candle right here. So let's see how we did. If it breaks above that 10, that's a great sell. There goes SPY continuing to pop. That was a nice sell on SPY. Let's see. Let me look at the YouTube chat here, see if you guys are saying anything. And in the trade room. Medjlies says, Dave, good call on Moderna a couple of minutes ago. They made 20% in 20 minutes. Thanks, boss man. That's nice. As you guys can see here, Medjlive said, where is it?
COP, Conoco, total fracking crews in U.S. shale operations. Charlie Oscar, pop-up.
Right here. Dave, good call on Moderna a couple of minutes ago. 20% in 20 minutes. Thanks, boss man.
TTOO, T2 Biosystem getting a pop here now, 71 cents.
Ooh, PayPal had a big pullback. We had a nice sell there on PayPal. Wow, that was nice. That was a good opportunity there. We sold PayPal at before. Really nice. Right before that big breakdown. Now PayPal looks like it wants to climb again. JS Buyer says, glad I held my Abbott longs. Nice job on Abbott. Let's see what Abbott's doing now.
If it breaks 95, it's flying.
Oh, she looks like she's really going to take
She's
off.
gonna go back to 95.
Yeah, she's already at 95, just about here. I think that's going to get to $100 by next week, don't you? Easily $100 next
No
week.
more earnings. Cloud.
Monica Langley says T-Doc. Let's see what T-Doc's doing. Love when they bring my attention to something. T-Doc's not doing too much there. Looks like it's starting to break out, though. It's looking good. Looking good there, Monica. Looking good. Guys, if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Give it a like here on YouTube and share it on social media for me. That would be a big help and something that, you know, it would take that off of my plate to do. And we could focus more on trading. Let's see here. I want to find something to trade here. Don't have much in the account. Let's see. We still got the GE. We still got the... What's that?
Let me see what Square's doing. Oof.
Square's pulling back? I'm not in Square, but...
Downgrade.
Man, pretty flat all day, though. I mean, it had a big drop lower there, but...
Oh, look at Netflix with an upgrade.
Netflix again. Imagine
a
if we
price
kept
target.
those calls. Wow,
442.
442.
They said they raised the price target to 450.
GILD.
Wow. Yeah,
Now
that's going to
stocks,
continue to
when they raise
run.
the target and it's trading below what the target is, does it reach to that target?
GILD.
Is there a climb to 450?
Usually, if it's a good sector and there's, you know, right now there's not too much going on, so everyone's watching upgrade, downgrade. They see Netflix, they say, okay, everyone's home now, everyone's watching TV, you know, and that's why we're seeing such a big pop on Netflix here. Yeah, I mean, look at since the pandemic started with Netflix, you know. In February, we were right at around 330. We're at 445 now.
PTON, Peloton at
You
the
know,
highs.
there goes Abbott
Roku,
still again.
Nvidia.
Matt, we had the Netflix calls for this week's expo, remember? I want to see what they were worth here because what did we get? What was the Netflix trade we made? Because I want to see what we paid for them and what they're at now. I forget.
Sure you want to know that?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Abbott's running big there.
We got into Abbott.
Not Abbott, Netflix.
I mean Netflix, sorry. April 17th, 400 call at 665.
400 strike call at what?
665.
For April 17th?
Yes, sir.
The 400 strike call for what price?
665.
665. They're up almost 1,000%. They're worth $4,400 now a contract for one contract. So how much did we pay?
665.
So we paid $665 for a single contract in Netflix. Now that $665 would be worth now $4,215. So that $665 trade's now worth over $4,200, almost $4,300 right now.
I'm sick.
Did you get in that trade?
Overnight on Monday.
You did?
Yeah.
Me too. I wish I held on to
The
that.
comic book deal.
Man, did any of them get it? Are they still in Netflix? Could you imagine if one of them held it? Oh, that'd be up almost 1,000%. Unbelievable.
FOMO.
Yeah. Yeah, took profits on that one way too early. Look at Abbott there, 94.96. There goes Abbott.
Brian says he's sick.
Oh, me too, Brian. I just got knots in my stomach.
U.S. Small Business Administration tells lenders Paycheck Protection Program due to hit $350 billion.
They're saying Moderna's running again. mRNA. There goes Abbott. Abbott's at 95. 95.09. She's having a big breakout now. Up almost 5% on Abbott.
On its way to
Moderna's having a big climb here as well. What a climb on Moderna. That's nice. We locked in just about all the trades here that we're in. Only thing we're still in now that you guys know about are the GEs, RCL, Ross Stores. Skyjack 205 says he held his Abbott. What are you up on that Abbott trade now, Skyjack? I'd be interested in knowing your percentage-wise on that. What a run on Abbott. Look at that, 95.35 now. Look at that, 95.41.
That's it. Broke that resistance.
It broke that resistance. She's going to have a big run now. Netflix looks like that's going to have a big run coming up too. Vince Fiacco said he wishes he held to Netflix too. I think we all do. That was a hell of a trade there. I wish I held on to that. Red Lotus says Zoom, ZM. ZM was down because of Verizon buying that Blue Jeans video conferencing company. Let's take a look at Zoom now. Zoom is up now. I think Zoom's going to get up to that 160. I really think I want to jump into Zoom again. Look at how it came, bounced off that 50 SMA, climbed. Now we got the MACD cross looking good. 160 to 165 would be the target if you wanted to jump into a Zoom trade. That's a nice trade idea for Zoom for next week's expo. Or the May monthly expo even. It's a nice setup there. Guys, we only got 48 likes with 200 viewers right now. Come on, give that a thumbs up there and do that for me.
TRNX, Toronis Technologies on very heavy volume.
Dr. Reber says Shop has the SMA 10 over the 20, but has a red candle. Wait, let's take a look at Shop. Shop is looking great there. I mean, Shop looks like that's going to continue to run. I'd be looking at a 550 target on Shop. Absolutely. That's going to have a big run, Shopify. There goes Netflix too, climbing again. Wow, look at who we have with us this morning. Did you see in the YouTube chat?
Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson's with us. Wow.
Is that real Mike Tyson?
He said, thanks for all the info, guys. You rock. It can't be the real Mike Tyson, right?
No.
Maybe it is.
Let's see.
AMZN, Amazon up about 3.5% today at the highs 23.90.
Amazon's still running.
Coming up
23.92.
A draw of 64 BCF expected. That's at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time.
JS Buyer says he's out of Abbott longs. He paid 5.80, sold for 7.85. He made a 73% gain. He made $4,078. Take a look. We got 119 people in our trade room at Breaking Chart Alerts. JS Buyer said he's out of our Abbott longs. He paid 5.80. He sold 7.85. He made a 73% return on that trade. Made $4,078. That's incredible. Great job, JS Buyer. Really glad to see you doing so well. Nice job. Joe said he's ready for a trade challenge trade. Me too, buddy. Me too. Skyjack said he's up 142% on the Abbott May 15th strikes that we got the other day. We sold a little bit early on them, but he held on to them. He made 142% gain. Where else are you going to make profits like that? Amazing job there. Good job there. Damn nice job, says Eddie Santos. That's right. NVIDIA run it again, says Carson Gardes. Nice job, guys.
It's the fake Mike Tyson.
It's the what?
The fake Mike Tyson.
Oh, it's a fake Mike Tyson?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, only 69 likes and 200 viewers. Come on, give this a thumbs up here. We're doing a lot to help you guys out. Give it a thumbs up for me. Shopify. Dr. Reber, you have me interested in entering a Shopify trade now. There goes Netflix. There goes Netflix. Big breakout on Netflix. You know what? I think I need to get Netflix for next week's expo. Let's see what they're going for. I could do a quick little swing trade on that. It's already up 4% though today. That's what's holding me back. You know, let's see, 450.
Doc is up 54% on Chewy.
Doc's up 54% on Chewy.
This morning.
Nice job, Doc. He's like, party at Dave's. Look at that. Dr. Reber says Chewy's up 54%. His trade he made on Chewy. Party at Dave's. Nice job.
We called it.
Let's see here. They're talking about AMD now, too. Let's see what AMD's doing. Doc, I like that Shopify. I really want to jump in that Shopify. Look at it at Netflix. Netflix, a single contract's going to cost $2,500, you know? It'd be stupid for me to post that trade because 90% of you guys aren't going to be able to get into it. Then I'll be hearing, Dave, you made 200%. I couldn't get into it. So usually I sacrifice my big wins so I could look for trades like you guys do. That's the type of person I am. Let's take a look. Shopify, April 24th. We could pick up the 2 cents. See, even the Shopify, look at how expensive. That's insane.
Hearing Nokia, NOK has hired Citi to defend against a takeover approach for the entire company.
Remy McNamara says, Dave, maybe explain to everyone the why behind the likes. It will likely gain more traction and followers will be more inclined on clicking like. Food for thought. What do you think they mean by that?
More likes.
Explain the why behind the likes. Well, we want the likes because it's going to give us more analytics and it's going to show us more exposure as recommended videos on YouTube. So if you guys could do that for us, you know, that'd be a big help.
And YouTube will put us out in more platforms.
And yeah, and YouTube puts you out on more platforms once you get more likes and shares and everything like that on social media. Dr. Reber says, crazy expensive shop. Yeah, I know, me too. I really don't feel like throwing $5,000 into a trade like that. Looking for a setup. PayPal's looking ready to break out again here. Let me show you PayPal. I got that up on the other chart. Let's put on our video here for a sec. Oh, don't mind the this in the background. That's just old there. We were going over some ideas this morning, so let me just get rid of that. That was a long time ago. Oh, that was a... Remember, look at that, Regeneron. We started talking about that in February.
Correction on that.
There goes PayPal, guys. Take a look at the PayPal today 1 minute chart there. There goes PayPal breaking out again. I might be getting into another PayPal trade. I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look at it. Keep an eye on it.
Build of 73 versus
There goes PayPal again. Big breakout on PayPal.
That's correct.
Watching that. Looking for some opportunities here on some other charts. Qualcomm was nice. We took our profits on Qualcomm. That had a big retracement there after we got rid of that. Looking good. iDrive Zamboni says, Dave, can you look at JP Morgan? Let's take a look at JP Morgan. We're out of that trade. Ooh, there's a nice 10-20 cross coming up. Look like it might have a nice climb today. It's down 2.5% today. Down to 88.53. Oh, my God. When we got into JP Morgan, it was at what? Like 200 or 100? 102?
Mm-hmm.
We locked in a profit on our JP Morgan, right?
Small profit.
Small
but
profit.
It wasn't looking too good.
Yeah, so we locked that in, got rid of that. We had the JP Morgan 105 call at 550. That was our trade. I mean, that's not our trade now. That's an old trade there, but I'll get rid of that so you guys don't think that's a new trade setup or something.
PDSP, Papa Delta Sandy, Bravo, PDS Biotech.
Ragu said he's got 30 contracts at shop, 417, 475 call, and 424, 525 call. Nice job, Ragu. Roku's having a nice breakout. Let's see Roku. ROKU.
Roku had a nice week.
Wow, Roku's looking incredible there. That's a nice setup there on Roku. Wow, it doubled in just about less than a month. Literally a month it doubled. From March 17th to April 16th, it doubled. More than doubled. That's amazing. And that could easily get back up to about 150 to 170. That's my target on Roku there. Why would they be buying Roku?
Subscribers.
mRNA, Moderna.
Dr. Reber said he likes the Purell on the desk. We got lots of Purell.
Continuing higher, about 4% today.
Man, I'd love to make another trade here on... I'd love to get in on Roku, but just not looking... Who's that?
BMRA getting a pop here on volume. Bravo Michael Romeo Alpha. BMRA. Buy America spiking here on more volume now, hitting a high of 914. $9.21 now on Buy America.
That was just a receptionist. They got me back. They said the AC is down. She was asking if I wanted some fans for the office. That's nice. They do good work here.
For its COVID-19 Alyssa IG antibody test.
They really do take care of you, don't they?
That's from the FDA getting emergency use authorization on their COVID test. That's Bravo Michael Romeo Alpha, BMRA. America hitting a high of 980, up about 16.5% BMRA.
Regeneron, new 52-week high, 527.12. Let's take a look at Regeneron. Guys, take a look. Small business loan programs now out of money.
Oh, wow.
That's big news. Small business loan program now out of money. That's being reported by Bloomberg.
What about the ones that were pending?
I don't know.
Now over $10.
Here's more breaking news for the website.
Oh, yeah.
Get that up there. That's quick, easy, nice.
Can you send me just that?
Oh, yeah.
ConocoPhillips COP says not storing significant amount of oil above ground. America halted now on a circuit breaker at the high, $10.45. BMRA Again, the
BMRA. They're talking about that. It just got hold of BMRA. Wow, look at that stock. What is going on with that? This was a $2 stock. It's at $10 now. It was just at 25 on March 20th. On March 19th. Look at Netflix still running. I wonder what's going on with this BMRA. Biomerica share spike on volume as traders circulate April 15th dated letter from FDA chief scientist to Mount Sinai lab doctors related to coronavirus ELISA IG antibody test.
OUT,
Huh.
Oscar Uniform
Okay.
Tango. Outfront Media now spiking here to the highs 1276. Following that news from them earlier.
Wow, a lot of news coming in. Abbott Labs 95 strike call sweeps coming in for next week's expo. Let's take a look at Abbott Labs for next week. That's not a bad
I
idea.
don't see any bad things coming out of Abbott.
Me neither.
Besides the earnings.
Me neither.
We're past that.
1276 at the high, up about 10%.
That'd be a nice little trade to watch for next week. Very expensive though, but she has a lot of room to run.
High demand.
WRK Slack at the highs 28.93 now.
Let's see.
Slack share is up 3% today.
All right, I just got in Abbott, April 24th, 95 strike call. Only 5 contracts. It's a $1,600 trade. Got in at 3.20.
Target.
Target on Abbott's going to be $100. We're looking for $100 on Abbott.
Stop.
Stop is going to be first candle below 92. Small trade though, guys. Remember that. Guys, did a lot of you guys get the money from the small business loan program? Any of you guys get that? I'd like to know what's going on. Wow, look at our Abbott trade. It's already up 6%, up $100.
That's under
Wow, guys, Abbott is soaring. Soaring. Guys, I just put the Abbott trade on the live video there so you guys could see it. We're already up over $100 on that Abbott trade we just made. Nice job there. That's going to be a good, I think that's going to be a really nice profit next week. Netflix breaking down now.
Did anybody jump in that Abbott trade?
TSLA, Tesla getting a pop here. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha. Tesla 732.49.
A lot of members.
Guys, I just got back. I had to run to the restroom quick to get to go to the bathroom. Just came back. 17% gain on Abbott. $260.
This time I didn't
Amazing.
yell at you. I didn't yell about the Abbott trade like we did last week.
Like what? What happened last
Remember
week?
when the other stock exploded and I was yelling and you were in the bathroom and you came out here and sold it?
Oh yeah, and I heard it down the hall.
And then 10 minutes later, it's at the high of its day.
I remember that. I remember that very clearly. 18% gain on Abbott. Now up 300% on Abbott. There goes Netflix. Abbott still continuing to run. What a day. What a day. What a day. Nice. 17%. Let's see what else. What else can we jump into? Look at the pop on Netflix again, too.
Ragu goes, Dave, keep going to the restroom frequently. Markets tend to go up when you head out.
Yeah. I know, right?
Here you go, check this.
Let's see. They said PayPal looks like it's running again. Amazon's at 24.11 now. Oh my God! Look at Amazon. That's gonna get to 2,500 next week. I'm telling you. Excuse me. Thank you. Wow, Amazon. I'd love to get an Amazon. Love to get an Amazon here. You know what's gonna happen though. I get an Amazon, it's gonna drop 200 points.
Go to the bathroom.
Yeah, just go to the bathroom. Tesla's not one I like to trade. Ari Hunt to Jane. Let's see Tesla. Having a nice breakout though, that's for sure. I mean, this one, it really does look like it wants to get back up to $800 a share. I think that's easily doable with Tesla. There's a lot of momentum behind it, a lot of traders behind Tesla. So, guys, we're at 99 likes with 180 viewers. Come on. Hit that like button for us. You know, all that does for us is it helps with our analytics on the back end. It helps YouTube promote our channel. You know, once you get over a certain amount of likes, they open up new things for your channel. So please, continue to hit that like button for us. I really appreciate it. There goes Abbott again. There goes Netflix again. Jerry said, please stay out of Amazon. Skyjack said he's up 87% on Amazon. That's nice. Good job there. Good job.
TRNX
Ugh.
Technologies and 16 cents after announcing with not to reverse.
Thanks, Random Life. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate it.
Very happy volume now. TRNX. mRNA, Moderna shares continuing to rise here, 39.60.
Moderna shares continuing to rise. Let's take a look at. Oh my God! Look at mRNA. $40.
Oh my gosh.
I just sold out of that. What, yesterday or the day before? Oh my God! I had the shares of it, or no? I had the calls, right?
Yeah, of course.
Man, if I held on to that, it would have been a big profit. Oh, take a look at Abbott. I just looked up to my watch list there. I see Abbott's up
16%, baby.
$96. There she goes. She's taking another run again. Abbott's looking good. We're gonna look at that 96.50 as target resistance. So another, another nice climb coming here. 50, 60 cent climb. We're gonna be looking at. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind Abbott's gonna get up to 100. You know, I mean, that's easily doable with Abbott. Want to find another good swing trade set up here for us. I really want to find a trade challenge trade here. Skyjack says, Dave, AMD. You know, I've been looking at AMD, but, you know, up 4%, 57.16. I mean, I could see it getting up to 60. You know, but I mean, look at the run it had from 37.50 all the way back up to $57. You know, that's a big run there. I'm expecting some type of retracement here to happen sometime soon. Arihan Jane says, I'm late for Abbott. Still, it's a good buy. Like I said, I think it's a good buy up to $100. You know, I mean, I'm already up $300 on that small $1,500 trade. What is that, $1,500 or $1,600 trade? Already up $300, up 18% on the trade. You know, I mean, that's a hell of a setup there. That's a really nice breakout. Kurt Chiraney says T-Doc's breaking out again. Let's take a look at T-Doc. Nice breakout on T-Doc. Or that's T there. T-Doc. Wow, look at T-Doc again. T-Doc wants to have a nice run. I'm holding on to my Abbott. I love that Abbott. Qualcomm's getting a nice spike here from the lows too. This might be a good opportunity to pick up some Qualcomm for next week's expo. My problem is, you know, what's going on with the coronavirus. Look at the call sweeps coming in Gilead. Look at Nvidia. Wow. T-Doc's getting a pop there again. Nice breakout on Qualcomm there. Let's see Abbott. What Abbott's doing. Abbott had such a nice run. What a run on Abbott. Moderna's still on the run there. Look at that big run on Moderna. Look at that.
FOMO? How much FOMO are you having right now?
There she goes, breaking $40. $39.99. There she goes, $40. Abbott pulling back a little bit there. Yeah, Skyjack, I sold Moderna too soon as well. That and the Netflix trade. Could you imagine if we held on to those? If we held on to those, wow, we'd be up even more than we are now. Let's take a look what we're up for the week. Alrighty, so a lot of you guys asked me, Dave, what are you up for the year so far, right? Well, here, I want to share with you guys what we're up for the year. This is what we are up for the year. So as you can see, this is January 1st, 2020 to April 16th, 2020. So that's about 3 months in, right? 4 months in. We have a realized profit of $63,588.80. You see that, E? Look at that. A quarter of the way into the year, we're already up 63,000. Yep.
Wow.
That's not bad, guys.
Q1.
And that's what I mean about following that trade plan, you know? I mean, you're going to have rough weeks. You're going to have excellent weeks. You know, you're going to have stressful weeks. You're going to have easy weeks. You're going to have great days like yesterday. And then you're going to have days that you're just sitting back and waiting for the trade setups to come in. But as you can see, this is a realized profit of $63,588.80 from January 1st of this year to April 16th of this year.
Dave, so is this your official earnings report?
What do you mean?
Your Q1 earnings report?
When does it end? Yeah, it should have ended already.
End of March.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the statement because I want to post that. I think we
gotta send out our earnings report.
Yeah, we do. Our
Breaking
earnings
news.
report. Breaking news. Earnings
Before the
report
market.
from Breaking Chart Alerts. Here's our trade results. But yeah, great job there, guys. That's amazing. That's incredible. Where else could you make 63 grand in a couple of months? You know?
Popping to the high 80 cents, probably fueling Yankee India. WRK Slack for new highs now up about 6% at the high on WRK.
That's amazing, isn't it? 63. I didn't even know I made
That's
that
a lot.
much.
That's a lot.
I told E, what's the most important thing doing with that? Transferring the profits to your other accounts. I always told him that. And that's what's important. You don't see 63K in here, right?
Nope.
No, so that's
I
a
transferred it
profit.
the other day.
You transfer.
Last week.
That's the best thing you could do is transfer your profits to another account. Because what happens, I mean, this happened to me personally. When I start trading and I say, oh, okay, I got let's say $25,000 account up to $100,000. Then you're like, oh wow, you know what? I'm at 6 figures now. Let me try to get 7 figures.
Yeah.
And then what are you doing? You're making $25,000 trades, 50. You know, you can't be
Going
doing
way
things
too
like
heavy.
that. That's what I was doing.
Just humble yourself.
You know, yep. Be humbled and, you know, take a
small.
nice, slow, steady approach to your targets and have reasonable targets, you know.
your exposure
I mean,
low.
100% a month, that's not bad. You know, you could make 100% a month. You know, that's not, if you're cautious and patient, disciplined, follow that trade. I mean, look at Scott Harris. He took 1,500. He should be over 35 grand today.
Oh yeah, he should.
I wonder where the heck
Where
he's
is he
at
at?
today.
Is he
Scott,
in
where
Charlotte?
are you? Are you with us? I want to hear your story. His success story is better than mine. You know? It's like, wow, you know, like he had a restaurant that was hurting with the coronavirus. He's like, Dave, I'm coming to you. I don't know how to trade. You know, like he's like, I lost money. And then he started with like 4 grand. He said he dropped it down to 1,500. That's when he joined us. And now he's up over $30,000 in a month.
Same
That's
trade plan.
amazing.
Following the
When I
trade
see
plan.
stories like that, it just
Following the trade plan.
it amazes me. It amazes me. You know?
In any stock you see or any setups, you will see the trade plan clearly.
Oh, clear as
Set up
day.
your charts with the SMAs, the MACDs. You see the signals,
Absolutely.
and you could be successful in any trade.
That's a pretty nice profit there, though. Karen Decker says NVIDIA, NVDA. Look at NVIDIA still running. That's going to hit $300 today. Unbelievable. Markets are really turning around. There goes PayPal again. Look at PayPal. I should jump into a trade on PayPal. If it could break above 108, I might do another trade on PayPal there. What a great week this was. That'd be nice. Now, tomorrow, guys, our goal for tomorrow is to do some day trading. Expo Day, and it's monthly Expo tomorrow, so I think we're going to see some nice volatile swings in the market. You know what I should
What's
do is
monthly
get
Expo?
the third Friday of every month.
The third Friday.
Third Friday of
Why is
every
that so
month.
big?
That's your normal expiration
Okay.
date. They started weekly expos a few years ago, maybe 10 years ago. They had those when I started, but they just started the weeklies. The normal monthly expos, that was the thing from
Wow,
day
so you
one.
had to wait. Expos were once a month?
Expos were once a month, yeah.
Wow.
But you know, you're able to buy and sell them anytime. You don't have to wait until Expo Day to get rid of those.
Right.
But yeah. Andrew Richardson says CVS. Let's take a look at CVS there. Wow, big. Look at that breakout on CVS. Now, see, this is what I mean about the SMA cluster. See how you got the 10, 20, 50 SMAs coming together right here? You got your first candle with full body above the 10, 20, 50-day SMA on a today 1-minute chart. That's your entry right there. You already had the MACD cross way back here. When the MACD crossed, the stock was still in consolidation. Here's a consolidation box. So it was still in consolidation when some MACD crossed. Then once you got your confirmed entry with your candle above the 10, 20, 50 SMA with our trade plan, here's breakout momentum at 1049. That's literally the candle that we started breaking out. And with our trade plan, you're able to capture the second it breaks out there. First candle above 10, 20, 50 SMA. Here was the MACD that crossed right here. It consolidated right here. Let's draw. I think that helps people a little bit better, doesn't it? So here was your consolidation. There's your consolidation, right? You had your MACD cross right here. You're consolidated. You say, okay, we got the MACD cross. Now what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for that first candle above the consolidation box. Not only did you get the first candle above the consolidation box, you got the confirmation candle. And this candle right here is the first candle above the 10, 20, and 50 SMA. That's your entry right here at the 1049 candle. You know, your first exit is going to be what? Here you go. Your first candle either below the previous candle's body or below the 10. Candle below the 10. If you're day trading or swing trading.
Okay.
Yep. If you're day trading, you want those tighter stops, you're waiting there. Yes.
Keep it tight.
Alrighty, guys, sorry about that. If you guys wanted to join us, come to our live trade room. Go to breakingchartalerts.com, click join now, sign up for that professional trader. We got 115 traders in the trade room right now. Sorry about that. They said no sound, so I just fixed that. Guys, our trade challenge is going on. Our live videos at 2 p.m. are from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for the professional trader members. So go to breakingchartalerts.com, click join now, and then click join our professional trader 12-month yearly course here. Instead of $2,000, if you use promo code stimulus, it'll only be $1,500. And you could still join us for the regular Pro Trader monthly, but I'm looking to save you guys some money. So if you want to save some money, Pro Trader yearly, use promo code stimulus. It'll be $1,500 for the year instead of $2,000 for the year. And the Pro Trader, it's $250 a month. If you want to sign up for that, you'll get the text alerts, everything, the free trading app. And like I said, if you join the professional trader membership at 2 p.m., you go here and it says this event is scheduled for today at 2 p.m. This is where we do our live afternoon trading classes. Live afternoon trading, period. And then we also do some educational content in there as well. And like I said, the trade alerts, you'll get text alerts. You'll get this sent to your cell phone. I don't like these. I want to fix the charts here to my charts, but
Yeah, we're gonna do the trade.
perfect. Guys, nice job there today, breaking chart alerts. Then you go here and you'll see all of our things here. Small business loan program now out of money by Bloomberg. Top morning headlines this morning. You click on that, and you're going to see here all the top headlines for this morning. And this is all posted before the market even opens. So get out there, check that out. Every morning we got great content on our website for you guys to check out that's going to help you become a better trader. Here's our daily newsletter here. A lot of members like to print that. What's going on with this again here?
That's the featured image.
Top news today, we stack all that in there. And then, guys, if you want to print this, you can print it. We send it out in the newsletter as well in the morning. So, like I said, you got so much opportunity here to help yourself become a better trader. and then we got our current trades template that's going to be up here in the afternoon. That's going to be in the morning, so we just made that design. That's coming out now. And as you guys could see, the trade challenge, performance, everything is here. And then if you guys want to register to become an affiliate, if you want classes, you could go to trading courses. If you want to become an affiliate, you could go here and you could become an affiliate. Kevin Cullen says the thumbs down are funny trolls. I know, there's always going to be haters out there. That's okay. So if you guys want to join our affiliate program, you'll get rewarded every time you refer a friend. So sign up for that, click that, sign up, and get started. I'm going to get off of here now. I'm going to be back in the live trade room. We got merchandise, shirts up here that we're going to be giving away. If you guys locked in some gains on any of our trades today, post that. We want to do a free shirt giveaway today. So post your results from Breaking Chart Alerts on social media, and we'll take care of that and send out some shirts. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to get off of here now, go in the trade room, and I will see you guys later. Great day today, guys, and looking forward to tomorrow's day trading session on options expiration day. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless. Have a great day, and it was nice having you with us. Thanks, guys, for your support, and I'll see you guys in the trade room, and I'll see you guys live again on video at 2 p.m. at breakingchartalerts.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.